if you look at the Indian IT industry, it has grown into a behemoth today. And one of the reasons why this industry has grown so big is because of innovation. Innovation has always been around us, and we just need to see what is it that we need to do to ensure that the innovative instincts which are there within us, how we can learn from what others are doing and how we can make it adapt to work in our own context. Nano was a great example of innovation. And ultimately, what is it that we were trying to do in the Indian context? What we were trying to do in the Indian context with Nano is really innovation at the bottom of the pyramid. People are looking at innovation which is going to be more relevant in bottom of the pyramid, because ultimately, if you see globally what is happening is that every business is wanting to go to the emerging markets, every business is wanting to go to the least developed markets, right? And what was innovation or the kind of innovation which was relevant for mature markets is not really the innovation which is going to be relevant for emerging markets. So the whole paradigm is changing. But innovation as we move forward is not necessarily in the context of bottom of pyramid. The next wave of innovation is also going to be innovation to win in a world of constraints. The data is in front of you, right? No longer we live in a world where we can assume that there are infinite resources available to us. And when I am talking of resources, I am not talking of resources in the context of a organization. I am talking of natural resources available to mankind as a whole. And talent, more importantly, the biggest constraint today for any organization, and it doesn't really matter whether it's a oil and gas industry, whether it is a metals and mining industry, whether it is the IT industry, any industry that you talk of, the biggest constraint that every organization has today is about talent. So increasingly, we are entering into an era where it is a world of constraints, and hence we have to innovate. So that given the constraints, given what we are wanting to achieve, given what our ambitions are, there is no way out other than innovation. And increasingly, every business is a global business. So in this context, how do you innovate so that life goes on and we really deliver on what we need to deliver, both as society as a large as well as in our organizational context. Innovation is all about innovative business models, is all about innovative service delivery. So there is an equal impact that you can have by innovating in any of these areas rather than just get constrained as to what you can get